Hello. How do you make money from Claude? How do I make money from Claude? I do not watch other Claude videos, okay? I don't have time for that. I spend about 17 hours a day for the last 2 months, the last 2.5 months, using Claude to create businesses, okay? So I want to tell you how I make money on Claude. What any business does basically is goes, here is the problem, and we are the solution, and you need to create that solution. So for me, I use Claude to build businesses in broken industries, which are most in Australia, and I offer an alternative to the way that industry is. So I can't break down an industry, for example, if it's a government based industry, but I can create something within that industry that is an alternative for people to use, basically. So let's choose one of the businesses I've created. I really feel like talking about Celine House, which is an art ecosystem. So this website would have taken, not so long ago, a team of people to create over about a 12-month period, because it is so technical. There's so many aspects to it. It is a marketplace, basically, to sell your art, which is a 0% commission. Okay, so look, that's a huge problem for me as an artist, which is what I've been. I'm a degree qualified artist. I spent 20 grand over 2 years on so-called representation, right? And so what I did was I went, well, these are all the pain points within the art industry. Now let's create things to be the alternative, really. That's the best way I can say it, is what I create is businesses that are alternatives to what is out there. And majority of the time, the businesses are there to make a lot of money off the workers, basically. If it is like NDIS, for example, there's funding for that in Australia. So the money isn't just to make money off the workers, it's to make money off the participants. That's what it is. So if a lot of businesses, a lot of agencies that are within NDIS have created that business knowing that they can make a lot of money off 2 points, which is the participants and which is the workers as well, okay? Because most places pay less than 50% kind of than what the platform's paying, than what the NDIS is actually paying, that you do sleepovers and NDIS pays $297 for that. The agency I worked for, they paid us $100 for a sleepover. And so they kept $200 every single night for their 100 plus participants, So a lot of places are about making money, and the worker or the participant in NDIS is the product, basically, okay? So what I want to do was create platforms that still made me money and that also were cost effective for the people that were using it. So with Celine House, there's 0% commission and all these things that are for free, lots of marketing, all this stuff, okay? When I think about koyotrade.com, so it's basically 177 services for service providers. You can add your own as well if it's something that is not like normal, you know what I mean? Like there's a whole section for trades, for example. There's wedding sections, and in that you can do everything in a wedding photographer, whatever business that is relatable to a wedding basically is in that category. And instead of these people paying, a lot of people pay memberships and then they pay for leads basically, and then they're paying for a percentage of their earnings as well. A lot of them hold on to money, because if you hold on to money then you make money. So when somebody gives you money and you can hold that money in an account basically, and I forget what it's called at this particular moment in time, and you when that money accumulates, I really feel it's a float. There you go. That money accumulates. So the longer they hold that money, then the more money they're making on interest. That is how money works too in business. So if they hold onto your money for 2 weeks after it's been paid, then that's more money in their pocket, right? And so for me, I just use Stripe, which is the online safe way of doing things. And I create that within the businesses, as in you have to link up to Stripe. There's all these things that you have to do, So basically how I make money from Claude is by creating businesses that are alternatives in industries. That's what I do. And they are either memberships. And so when it comes down to the directories that I've created, they are membership based. And so people might pay $50 a month to be on this platform. And I would do a lot of marketing and all that stuff as well, bringing people to those businesses, do you need a wedding business? Here's what we got, kind of thing, choose these people. So they're getting a lot of free stuff when the platforms that are there, like Airtasker, for example, if you're in Australia, I don't even know where Airtasker is in the world, and HighPages, they make people pay per lead even, not both of them, but I know one of them does, per lead. And so they'll send you an email and say, hey, have a look at this job. You have to pay to look at that job, but they've sent that email out to several people. Okay, so that's where the money is. They're making money like that. And so I do the alternative where it's a membership fee. Now, at this particular moment in time, I've got 8 businesses that I've created over a 3-month period now. It's 10 businesses I've created over a 3-month period. Like one of them is a home services business, and it's called nestnurturesociety.org, right? Within that, it has cleaning. Within that, it has childcare, in-home childcare, and aged care, in-home aged care. And now let's look at the aged care sector. In Australia, they're on a 12 to 18-month wait list to get into slightly funded aged care, because it's definitely not funded like NDIS. And they're getting stricter on NDIS anyway, which is the disability insurance scheme, basically, okay? So with the thing is, I look at the pain points, and so I go, it's not just the pain point of the people that are using the service, it's also the pain point of the people that are getting paid in the service. And so let's look at qualified people within the aged care industry. You can have a registered nurse and they're signed up with an agency. The agency is charging you as the user $150. They're paying that registered nurse $45 an hour, and they're keeping the rest of the money. Whatever it's business, it's what they're doing with it. But that's the percentage rate basically that they're keeping for registered nurses, okay? People are paying out of pocket $140 an hour, $150 an hour for their services for their parents, for the aged care, right? Let's just say. And that person's keeping $45, and that business is keeping whatever that difference is. What is that? $105 is what the agency is keeping for basically finding that person a job. And so what I do is I take a $20 flat fee rate from each person. When it comes to the childcare, I take $15 because they're getting less money in childcare, and I didn't want to overcharge the industry too much as well. And so like for cleaning, for example, somebody might pay $70 an hour for the cleaning. The cleaner is going to get $50, and so the business takes a flat 20 rate. If they do a emergency clean, the person might be paying $120. They're getting $100. We're still taking $20. It's a flat rate of $20. Okay. When it comes to the childcare, it's a flat rate of $15. If they have 2-3 kids, they're obviously going to get paid more per hour per child. We still take $15. It doesn't matter if they're earning more. We're still earning $15. Aged care as well. The aged care goes, and the childcare as well goes. The wage goes on their certificates and accreditation. You know, so if you're a registered nurse and you're doing childcare, if you're a past teacher and you're doing childcare, you're going to get paid more than somebody that just has a Cert 3, for example. Okay, we're still only taking $15 an hour. So this is how I make money from Claude. Is I have created industries that have that pay people. It's either a membership, so CodioTrade.com, for example, is a membership. Calls Health is a membership, and Entertain You is a membership. Okay, they're just 3 that are going, and there's always more because I just reskin that particular one and create more directories like that that are specific to the niches. So Entertain You is all about adult entertainment basically, and the people are vetted, so they got you know, you go on Facebook and you go, hey, can somebody come and clean my house? And somebody goes, yeah, I'll clean your house. And you just take anybody. You don't really ask, look, I've been in the cleaning industry for years, and most people ring up and go, can you come and clean my house? The key's under the mat. You know, they have no idea who is in the house, which is a huge risk. It's a huge risk when you're doing childcare, when you're doing aged care as well. And so all these people have certificates. They're all vetted. They're all police checked. Basically, when they're coming through whatever platform I've created and whatever they're using, they're all vetted. So that is really good for the customer that's using it, for the safety of it, right? They're all insured, so they all pay their own insurance. We have insurance too, but they pay their own insurance as well. And all those things are checked all the time, so it's automatic on their phones. And so it will go, hey, you need to send us your insurance certificate, basically, you know. That's how I make money, okay? And so there's 8 businesses, and I can hire 100 cleaners all around Australia, let's say. And so that means I'm earning $20 per hour per cleaner. I can 100 childcarers, $15 per hour per childcarer, just for the aged care, okay? So that's one business, and that is, I've got 300 employees, and they're all working 6 hours a day, and so I'm making $120 per employee per day. times that 300, okay, because there's 300 employees, they're working 6 hours. I just rounded up all to 20, and I'm saying $120 each person. That is how I make money from Claude, okay? I've spent a long time creating these businesses. Every single day I am creating either more businesses, and I'm adding to these businesses, because nobody's going to find these businesses and use these businesses if I don't market. And so that's one thing, is you can create a PDF and try to sell it on Etsy in the oversaturated market. You have to spend money to compete, more than likely, okay? So I've created businesses where I still have to constantly grow. And so I'm not big on wasting money on metadata, on meta ads. What I do is create organic, and I create it through AEO, which is how I create the websites, which is answer engine optimization. So these days people ask a question and we answer it, and so I answer it with all the websites. If you come to me and I rebuild your website, if you've got a website, or I create your website, we build it around answering questions. So when you say where do I get employed? What agency should I be employed with for cleaning in Australia? Nest and Nurture Society will more than likely come up, okay, because this is how I do it. And you have answer so many questions, and I'm constantly adding blog posts. Everything's written so it's an answer question. So it is evergreen basically over time. When I create these videos, it is about how do I make money on Claude. I'm answering a question, everything that I do. Sorry, my breath. Everything that I do. Okay, so that is how I make money on Claude. If you have an idea and you can't create with Claude, because we act like it's easy to use Claude, it is not, okay? It might be easy to use Claude to go, can you put in a prompt and go, can you create me a PDF, or can you create me a platform that does this, okay? It is easy to do that. There's so many other things that you have to do, and so just because you can put it in a code and say this is how you do it, if you don't know to say to Claude, hey, now what do I do next? Because Claude will just go, that's done, and leave it, right? It's not going to go to you, this is the next step. And so you need to know what prompt to give it, basically, to know what to do the next step. So you can spend 4 hours creating something on Claude. You need to upload, put it online. You need to put it on maybe Superbase, depending on what it is. You need to put it on Vercel. You need to have it on GitHub, okay? That is, you need to register a domain. You need to more than likely start a Facebook page. You need to start a TikTok. You need to start Instagram. You need to start YouTube, basically, okay? So it's not about just creating something with Claude. I'm running entire businesses, and I could just be doing one, but I'm doing a mass amount of them, and then I create them for other people, because there's so much in it, okay? So don't just think that I'm going to create this one thing with Claude and it's going to make me a lot of money and it's going to just bring it in naturally. It's not, you build it and they shall come, okay? There's a lot of work that you have to do after that. So anyway, that's it for me. You have a great day.